And this is the moment when your dream pots and pans finally arrive. The ones you've imagined yourself cooking with, and the ones that feel like an extension of your hands and your stories. There's always a quiet thrill that fills the kitchen. And I unwrapped each piece slowly, almost ceremonially. The weight of the pan in my palm feels like a promise. The gleam of the pot catches the attention, light like a blessing. And for a moment, I'm not just a cook. I am a creator, standing at the threshold of these new rituals. One by one, as I lifted each piece from its cocoon, the weight settled into my palms with a kind of certainty. The way a good tool always tells you, I'm here for the long haul. And suddenly, the whole room felt different, warmer, fuller, as if the kitchen itself had been waiting for this moment just as much as I have. I didn't rush, but I held each pot the way I hold the story before writing it, slowly, reverently, letting it speak first. I imagined the first simmer, the first golden crust, the first broth that would perfume the air and wrap itself around the people I love. And I imagine my Sunday mornings, quiet dinners, late night cravings, and the kind of meals that become memories without trying. There's a particular magic in a new cookware, not because it's new, but because it carries possibility. It whispers, what will we create together? So when my dream pots and pans arrived, it wasn't just an upgrade, it was an invitation. An invitation to create, to nourish, to celebrate the everyday beauty of a life lived with intention. As if these simple tools are whispering,